come to the Pure Spirit BeeYard. Come on, I want to show you something. We have one more hive to check on, the Paradise Hive. Give them a little smoke. Let's pull a couple frames out, see what they look like. This frame is full of drawn comb and nectar. That's frame number 3. This is frame number 4. It's full of capped brood. This side is full of capped brood. Frame number 5. Nice capped brood. Frame number 6. I see eggs here. So these bees are doing really good. Look at this big drone bee right there. It's a big one. You can really tell the difference between the girls that he's around. That's the male bee. He's square, a little furry on the back. He's got big eyes. And these are little female bees, worker bees. There's the queen. She's right there with the white dot on her. Okay. So I know she's in here. I see eggs. I see capped brood. I see some honey and nectar stores. I see pollen stores in there. They're doing good. They filled out 1, 2, 3, 4 frames. We're starting to work on the next 2. So today everything looks good in the bee yard. I'm Alan. Thank you for visiting me in the Pure Spirit Bee Yard. Till next time, be healthy.